guys, as you saw in that video, it was a very successful static fire. Yeah, what do we got from it?
Well, the flight computer that we used was actually not ZETA Gen 2, as we were hoping. They hit some rough water, but it was ZETA Gen 2 actually turned into more test articles. And this one specifically, just a simple Arduino Nano, an RGB light, and servo hookups to power the full power the test.
Yeah, so we didn't cut holes in the body tube because of simplicity, and we definitely didn't need to do it because we weren't going super wide servo sweep. But the plan is to cut holes before we do our static fire gimbal test, where we hold down the rocket, but yet we let it gimbal on its own without going up to test PID and the TVC and everything, reaction time. So next video you should see up from us is probably static fire 2 and then a gimbal test combined in one video, because we want to stress test the rocket before we gimbal test it, so we don't have a rapid unexpected disassembly.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll be posting a video about any flight computer builds or any specifics of the flight computer. Maybe just a short promo vid.
Yeah.
But overall, we're just really excited.
Yep. Alright guys, yes, as tradition, every time we have something successful, we do a celebratory sweet tea and ice or a lemonade combination.
Palmer.
Not sponsored, but anyways, let's crack them.
That's a nice sound.
That's victory right there.
Oh, complete.
And this video is our announcement. We're in the unofficial YouTube TVC Space Race. That's right there. Let's go, man.
Hey everyone, if you like this video, I've just got a few requests to make. First of all, if you would please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, that would be great. We always get a thrill out of seeing our subscription numbers bump up, and it's always fun. Also, check out AOR on Facebook and Twitter. On both of those platforms, we constantly put out updates either about the project or different SpaceX, ULA, NASA news as they come and go, especially Starship news. We also have a Patreon channel. If you would consider supporting us on Patreon, that would be phenomenal. As two high school students looking to become engineers, it is not always easy to make rockets and fund them. So if you could help us there, you can. Some of the benefits of helping us financially would be getting early access to our videos, becoming part of a private Discord channel, which is actually no one's on yet. And if you'd like, I can also make you a custom Alpha Omega Rocketry t-shirt. But just wanted to plant that in the back of everyone's mind, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. I want you all to have a nice day.